And welcome to the Lasang. This is the Lasang in the winter, soon summer. There's helicopter coming. So welcome to my channel, and this is my view today, walking time. There's helicopter. It's a helicopter from the worker. So welcome to the Lasang. Soon is summer, hopefully, but still it's cold and there's a water, meaning there is a mushroom here sometimes. Let's see. So that's the water, and the water. Welcome. I almost fall off. Welcome to the Lasang. Seems like there's a gold there. I think hunting the gold. Next time I will buy the ayagan of the gold. I think here there's a gold over here. Look like it's very cold water. The water is so cold. Siguro pwedeng manginghas. So I'm somewhere here. It's very slippery there. It's slippery there. The road for now, because it's just finished the snow, and maybe snow is coming soon sometimes. But look at the view. It's nice. It's icy over there. Look at that. This is the sunshine. I'm walking for the health. Walking in a health way. So welcome to the sunshine. Welcome and welcome. Welcome to your star. Hi guys, thank you for watching. To all my viewers. On the top there is houses. Hi. Hello. Welcome to the Lasang. This is a forest with the sunshine here. There it's 4:30 sometimes in the afternoon. So look at the view. And the view of the sun. So it's so nice to see. It's like it's a little bit relieving of the good health. And over there is somewhere in the somewhere. This is a nice place to walk, I think. But first over there, it's a little bit slippery. It's a hill, and the hill with the trees. This is a pine trees, but this one is a different one. There's no leaves. Pine trees is over here. Huh.